Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle. For me it is visible right over here, but you might find it on additional pages. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time, you want to hold this toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate in here is because hotspot will come with a randomly generated password, which you can see right here. I do recommend just completely getting rid of it as it is pretty bad, and setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, or both, it doesn't really matter. From there, make sure you tap on save to save the changes. Another option in here, which I recommend keeping on or turning on if it's not, it's auto hotspot. So this basically turns off hotspot, if I remember. Oh no, this isn't it. This is something else associated with the account. So it looks like we don't actually have the automatic hotspot turn off kind of option. So that's a bit of a bummer. But anyway, let's close this now. Find the toggle once more, and once you're ready, you can just tap on it to enable it. It will give you this pop-up right here, so select turn off. This device is apparently a mid-range phone that cannot do Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, or not mobile data, Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. So it requires you to turn off Wi-Fi because it's using the same antennas. Samsung decided to cheap out, so they put not enough antennas for you to be able to do both. So be very mindful of that. When using your hotspot, you will only be using mobile data. Once you turn off your hotspot, when you're done with it, it should automatically re-enable your Wi-Fi. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.